And our next presentation will be by the Rutgers University New Brunswick campus chancellor, Dr. Christopher Molloy. He is also a biomedical researcher and thus is speaking both as university chancellor and as a biomedical scientist. Dr. Molloy.
Thank you, Richard, and welcome everyone. And I wish we were doing this live, of course, and look forward to those days ahead when we'll be able to reconvene our campus in the fall. It would be impossible in my brief remarks to do justice to the many areas in which Professor Evelyn Witkin has improved the world through her piercing intellect, her deep courage, and enthusiastic pursuit of what is right and true. I'd like to focus on her scientific achievements, as you all hear later, of course, and the tremendous impact they've had on human health. When Dr. Witkin began her PhD studies in the 1940s, of course, it had barely been established that DNA was the molecule behind genetics, and that X-rays and UV light could trigger inherited mutations in cells. The molecular mechanisms for those radiation-triggered changes remained a mystery, one that Dr. Witkin examined at the beginning of her studies. In an early experiment, she subjected bacteria to massive doses of UV light, as you've heard, killing all but 4 of the E. coli cells in an initial batch of 50,000. And then she sought to learn what was behind the scientific processes, what was going on in the cells that enabled them to survive. A great puzzle, and of course, a scientific challenge. With remarkable foresight and intuition, Dr. Witkin predicted the cells must respond to damage through a process of copying their own DNA, but that this process would be error-prone and could lead to mutations. Her revolutionary ideas led to the discovery of what we now call the SOS response, in which bacterial cells respond to stress by switching on genes involved in DNA repair. And these can promote survival, but also could lead to mutagenesis. And of course, as we all know, the understanding of how cells respond to DNA damage has laid the foundation for numerous areas of human biology research, from cancer to neurodegenerative diseases. Dr. Witkin's work provides a textbook example of how discoveries of a world-changing impact can emerge from basic science carried out in model organisms such as E. coli. As a testament to her tremendous passion for science and her defiant spirit, Dr. Witkin's major breakthroughs come from experiments that she carried out by herself, not necessarily as part of a large collaborative team. This university is very proud of its connection to Dr. Witkin, who joined us as a professor of biology in 1971, became the Waksman Institute director in 1983, and has been an Emerita scientist since 1992. Dr. Witkin, thank you for your commitment to science and your great contributions to Rutgers and the world, and a belated and wonderful happy birthday.